go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification so you are always notified whenever I post another video. And in this video, we're going to do a natural hairstyle. Wow, growing our hair back with a amazing product infused with CBD and a 24 karat gold. That is right, honey. Yes, CBD and 24 karat gold is what we're growing our hair back with it today. So I already got my hair braided down by my mom, so let's talk a little bit. So here we go. I'm looking like buckwheat right now.
How about 2 cents? Hey, hey.
With this one, let me live. So I am using premium CBD 3 times triple strength superpower miracle growth for all hair types. Now my hair has already been growing, but why not, you know, expedite things a little bit? And this edge control that they have, CBD and 24 karat gold, honey. Yes. So, fancy. You can see the camera. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, honey. Let me find out. My edge is gonna be golden. It's the regrowth, strengthen, and repair edge growth. So that's super dope. Edge control that help your edges grow. And then this stuff right here, shake well, apply evenly throughout entire scalp or targeted hair loss areas. Rub in with the fingertips or comb through. Gradually increase amount applied and frequency depending on results. Best to apply in the morning and in the evening. Apply 3 to 5 times per week. This product is not intended to diagnose or treat any disease. So we're gonna shake it pretty well, y'all. And then there is this cap like twist on and off, and it comes out pretty easy. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like it's gonna work. So as y'all know, I have this spot here. So this is honestly where we gonna be concentrating most of it, but I'm gonna put this stuff everywhere because why not? So it's good that you guys have been keeping up with my entire growth journey. Now you can see how my hair is growing as I make all of these additions. Ooh, and I even love the way that it feels. Ooh, it feels so good. Okay, so really quick, let's address the little elephant in the room, little baby elephant in the room. So this little spot I have on the side of my head, if you are new to my channel, you do not know this, but you know, my body is dealing with hidradenitis suppurativa. I will leave the link in the description box below, which tells you a little bit more about it. I am very blessed and very fortunate that this is the only place that I get it, even though to most people, going off of a vanity metric, this may seem like a really big deal, but there are people who literally have to get surgery because there are like pieces of their skin hanging off. Mine literally just comes in my head, and on this side that I'm on right now, I actually had a much bigger spot about 6 months ago. Okay, so as you can see, that side is coming back in. It grows in. I have been dealing with this my entire life, so it is normal, but I am so excited about partnering with them because I feel like this will make things, you know, go even faster than they're already going. That's what inspired me to be a herbalist, you guys. A lot of people don't know that about me, but I am a herbalist, and the thing that inspired me to become a herbalist was just figuring out different natural remedies I could use to grow my hair back without having to get surgeries and things of that nature. Okay, so this, I'm so excited to be using Miracle Grow Oil. Okay, you guys, it's for all hair types to regrow, strengthen, and repair your hair. It's really easy, and it's a direct absorbent to the scalp. You guys, I taught you in this video here that just popped up on the screen, as well as in the description box below on my new channel, all about hair growth and the real truth about how hair really grows. So they have so many different things that go into this. I'm gonna leave it on the screen so you guys can go check it out for yourself. But I will say that from the very moment you put this on your scalp, it feels so amazing. I will say this, make sure you do not like place this on your head and then go out and like put a scarf on and stuff like that. Yes, I'm doing this on the video, but keep in mind I have a whole lot of time in between. You didn't notice it, but I like split it up. I actually left and like walked around the house. You want to let it absorb into your scalp. If you go and put a scarf or something like that on right away, then it will not absorb directly into your scalp, girl. It's going to absorb directly into whatever you put on. Okay, so yeah, keep that in mind. Now I'm just putting a second coat on. I just want to do that disclaimer because with the camera, yeah. So you guys, make sure you are already subscribed here to my channel and click that bell notification, because really soon you guys will see the full video on these clip-in extensions, as well as, you know, the company and all of that jazz. I'm so in love with this hair, you guys, so stay tuned for that. It's coming up really soon, but you will not get that information in this video. Okay, yes, okay. So now I am blending everything. I want to do a disclaimer. These clips do not hurt at all whatsoever, you guys. I really want you guys to do your research on HS. I'm not like, oh yeah, I use the weave and now I don't get no edges. No, that's not the case, you guys. I already made a video about it to combat that. So yes, okay, yes. But now I am using this edge control, and it is infused with CBD and 24 karat gold. Okay, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about that in a second, you guys, but I just want to say this. Sometimes we think we have to go use gel or use mousse and things of that nature, but keep in mind that gel and mousse have a very high water content. Now, edge control does have water in it as well, but depending on the product line, that percentage of water isn't high enough to make your hair revert back. And whatever they did with their formulation, honey, okay, it is working. It works for us, okay, because it is not reverting back. I'm even going to do a little test for you guys, because a lot of times once you put your scarf on, then it'll just take everything that you just did out. Like if you familiar with jam, even though that's a very bad example, or olive oil edge control, most of the time when you put your scarf on, you take your scarf off, it's like nothing happened. Well, in a second you'll get to see, you know, how things really go down with this edge control. But as you can see, it was perfect and my edges are not moving, and it made the blending process for this hair so easy. Oh my god, y'all, just Lord, yes. Baby, this edge control is life. Like my edges are just, they just slick. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, at first it scared me a little bit, like, is this glue? Let me read the label. So let's get into this edge control really quick. Regrowth, strengthen, repair, plus 48-hour hold with CBD and 24K gold edge grow. Okay, this premium CBD with fatty acids, hemp seed oil can improve blood circulation in the scalp, thereby stimulating new hair growth. Real 24 karat gold honey slows down the collagen depletion, increasing the skin's elasticity elasticity, and it lightens the skin's complexion, stimulates the cells, making the skin firm, improves blood circulation, and prevents premature aging. The Miracle Mineral and Pearl Vinegar protects, strengthens, moisturizes the skin, okay? And they have a whole lot of before and after repair pictures. You guys, make sure you check the link in the description box below, because I made the video that I'm linking way before, you know, they ever contacted me. So this is so amazing, because I just made a video teaching you guys about how hair really grows from an internal level. Your hair growth, it does not start on the scalp. Once your hair is on top of your head, once it's, you know, above the skin, it's the hair shaft, the growing process, like, it's already done. That's hair that's already there. You just need to take care of that hair. But when it comes to hair growth, honey, it starts under the skin. So make sure that everything that you are using is putting in nutrients to your hair, okay? And I'm for this, okay, for this, because at the time that I'm doing this voiceover, I've been using it for about 3 or 4 days now, and when I tell y'all, this feels so good. And normally for the spot on the side of my head, it takes me about 4.5 to 5 months to get the regrowth process started, because I have to get back deep in there from, you know, where I had the spot in my head, which caused, you know, the hair to fall out. So it takes a while before I can feel anything as it pertains to like tingling or anything in that area, because of the cells in that area. But honey, when I put this oil on there and even the edge control, I can feel it tingling in that spot instantly. So I'm not just saying that because they're sponsoring this video. Get you some of this, girl, because yes. You can get this pizza work, sir.
Girl, listen, homeboy said you had I gave you what you wanted.
You don't give me what I wanted.
But it's stuff to eat, and you're gonna stab me over some pizza? You're gonna kill me over some pizza?
Yes.
When he put that knife up to his neck, but it was turned the other way, oh girl, I thought that was it for me. So I'm just so super duper in love with this edge control, and I think it's won me over for sure, simply because not only does it have amazing hold, but it is actually nourishing your hair. Like, what an amazing combination. If you're somebody who wears protective styles all the time, this is great. You have an oil to make sure you're replenishing your scalp and, you know, doing all that, and then you have an edge control to make sure everything is okay. But I want you guys to remember that you have to cleanse your scalp before you apply a product like this, and that's why I taught you guys how to make your own rose water, because rose water is a natural antiseptic. So what I like to do, I would take my wig off and put a little bit of rose water on a cotton ball and go in between my braids, cleanse my scalp, and then apply this. But I have a video on that coming really soon, so leave me some comments below and let me know if whether or not you got anything at all out of this video. If you want to try out the products, make sure you click the links in the description box below. Subscribe to my website, follow me on Instagram, all of that stuff, and subscribe now. My website, my Instagram, all of that information below. I love y'all. Subscribe, yes. Bye y'all.